Hello everyone, this is Akansha Pathak from TYBBAD. My roll number is 284 and the motto of this presentation is to share my profitable business idea with you so that you can finance this emerging business. So the name of our business is Nirvana.in. It is a one-stop online store to satisfy all your study related as well as the stationery related requirements. For any business unit, it is very important to state the mission statement as well as the vision statement very clearly. The mission of our business is we strive to help the community to learn better and to live better, and the vision is link the need with the need in order to satisfy both the ends. Here I would like to explain you this bunch of jargons through our key factors of business. We are offering all the study related supplies which can be customized, and in that way we would be satisfying the requirement of consumer, and on the other end all this product would be manufactured or customized by our employees who are specially able. So we are trying to satisfy their requirement of job as well. In this way we would be trying to bridge this gap of requirement and fulfill that. Talking about USP or unique selling proposition, the first one is we are offering all the products at one single platform. Second one is customization, which is rarely available for the study related supplies or the stationery, so we are offering that too. And the third is the main or the most important, which is also the reason behind our business, is to help the community. Talking about the product range, we have taken into consideration the requirement of all age group, from the requirement of crayons of kid to the requirement of files or folders of adult or business women or men. So we have tried all the product range, and for pricing strategy we would be following mostly the market penetration and the psychological pricing. After that, we have analyzed the market and tried to predict the demand in the market, which is around 25,000 units for the textbook or university books. For the requirement of notepads or notebooks, it is around 38,500 units, and for the stationery items it is around 2,50,000. After that, for to start our business we would be requiring 21 lakh 50,000 unit 50,000 rupees, and after all the expense and cost, we have predicted that our profit would be around 77,725 rupees. So I really hope you are interested in our business idea and you also find this to be profitable, and you will help us to start this business and would be eager to finance this business. Thank you.